This or that? A $200 controller that looks pretty cool, or a boring one that costs 60 bucks? And after a year and a half, I can finally answer that question. Is it really worth the price? I'm Isaac, this is 2-Bit Tech, and this is the Elite Series 2.
By the way, we'll be giving away this ROG Ally right here in the coming weeks. We'll also throw in a purple mod case so we can match, even with our nameplates with the 2-Bit Tech. You don't have to put it on, but you can have it either way. So subscribe and join our Discord because we'll be posting updates and details on how to enter there and in a future video.
I love this controller, mainly because it feels like I made it. It's unique and it's personal to me. Let me show you how it's done. So this is the website, Xbox Design Lab. You can adjust it, mess with it, pick a color, let's say for example purple, but look, you can just adjust that, or thumbsticks, triggers, D-pad, any color. And guess what? These colors, you can change the buttons, X, Y, B, A, put text, which for, I put 2-bit for example, and you can always add accessories too. Paddles, which, for more buttons, I guess, if you don't have enough buttons on your controller. More thumbsticks, and of course, the carrying case. But what does that all come down to? $256. That's before taxes. This is my go-to controller I use for all my gaming needs. Like this, or even this. After having it for a long time, let me tell you what I found. This isn't just any controller, it's designed for gamers who want the best in customization, performance, and, well, build quality. When the Design Lab was announced, I immediately went on my laptop to see what to make of it, and well, of course, I made this. Sure, simple and all that, but it's up to personal preference. I like the color black.
Black isn't really a color, it's a shade.
Well, Brim thinks he's an artist now because he started painting recently. But I like my stuff in black, just like Batman does. The Elite Series 2 comes with the interchangeable thumbsticks, D-pads, and paddles. This level of customization is a game changer. You can mix and match components to suit your playstyle. I didn't get the full package for this controller, since I felt like it was too much. And well, all the extra stuff I don't really care for. I'm a pretty good competitive player, just not a pro player like how I once used to be. I wish I was that good again. The Xbox Elite Series 2 is crafted with high quality materials featuring a sleek matte black finish and rubberized grips. The wraparound texture not only looks great, but it feels amazing in your hands, giving you extra grip during those intense gaming sessions, like... I wish all controllers came with the rubberized grips. It just feels right, like even Juan Brim like it. Now, imagine that on a PlayStation controller.
That'd be nice.
Right? Imagine that. This feels great. It feels tiny, but compared to this thing. I like the feel of the PlayStation controllers, since Xbox wasn't the only thing I grew up with. But it leaned more towards an Xbox controller, since I feel like the PlayStation controllers were missing something. One of the features is adjustable tension thumbsticks. You can fine-tune the resistance to get the perfect feel. Whether you prefer a loose or tight stick, this controller has you covered. This fantastic feature is a hair trigger locks that I wish I had sooner. By reducing the travel distance of the triggers, you can fire more quickly, which is perfect for competitive shooters. This is how I set up my triggers. Let me know down in the comments if you own one of these and how you have it set up. You can save up to 3 custom profiles and 1 default profile directly on the controller. Switching between profiles is as easy as pressing a button. Whether you're switching from Halo to Forza, your controller is ready. I don't personally use this since the only games I play are shooters, but it's there for you to use if you play a large variety of games.
But does it have gyro?
No, because Xbox players have skill.
Wait, so $200 and it doesn't even have gyro?
$200 and no grips? The Elite Series 2 supports both Bluetooth and wired connections. Get this, it uses a USB-C, as all things should be. This makes it versatile for use with Xbox, consoles, Windows PCs, and even mobile devices. And speaking of versatility, the internal rechargeable battery lasts up to 40 hours on a single charge.
Damn!
Right? So, you can game for days without interruption. Damn, if I had this bad boy as a kid, I would be unstoppable. And well, of course, I would stop asking my parents for more batteries since, on the old controllers, you would have to reload it, like a double barrel shotgun. Although, satisfying, it was a bit annoying. A great accessory you can get with the controller is this amazing carrying case, which doubles as a charging station. Inside, you find all the extra components neatly organized, but in this case, it's empty since I didn't add extra accessories. It's perfect for when you travel, since you don't want to just throw this, your controller bare naked with thumbsticks exposed. We all know that leads to stick drift. Let me tell you something. This controller has stick drift. I mean, look! You see it? slowly moving. I mean, what? $200 for this? $200. I mean, I've had this for a year and a half. Not that much abuse on it. I've never dropped it. Compared to my older controller, there is a stick drift on that, and I'm pretty sure I've dropped that multiple times, and it works perfect. Meanwhile, this one, it's a bit rough. So, is the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller worth the investment? I mean, if you're willing to drop over $200 on a controller, and if you're a serious gamer looking for customization and enhanced performance, then absolutely. It takes your gaming performance to the next level, I'd say. Get it? Next level? No? Okay.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I might try taking this apart just to fix the stick drift, but I'm kinda afraid of working on this. If you do want me to take this apart, let me know. I'll work on that for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more tech reviews or gaming content. Have you tried the Elite Series 2? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.